Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to check the system time, serial number and firmware version of your Sungrow COM100D or COM100E logger. Let's get started. Step 1. Check the system time. First, log into your logger. Go to System on the menu. Under System, select System Time to view the current logger time. If the time is incorrect, you can update it here. Step 2. Check the logger serial number. Next, go to the About page. You will see the device serial number displayed here. If the serial number field is empty, please check the label on the logger 1000 body and contact Sungrow for assistance. Step 3. Check the firmware version. On the same page, tap the firmware version 5 times. The detailed firmware version will appear. That's it. I hope this video helps you in checking and verifying your logger information. If you found this guide useful, please like, share and subscribe for more Sungrow tips and solar troubleshooting videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.